Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Today I will show you how you can make Crud API using Entity Framework Core and MS SQL Server. Let's start. Open the VS 2022 and search for API and ASP.NET Core Web API project. Next, give it any name and next, and .NET 7 and none, and check all these options and click create. So here you will get an empty project with some basic information. I will delete that models and controllers. I have to go to add new folder data and then models, and in the model I will create a class called reminder. So here I have some code of reminder. I will copy. So this is the reminder code, and I will rebuild the application and go to the controller, add new scaffold item, API, entry framework code, actions, add, choose your model, and if you don't have DB context, click plus and add DB context and click add. So it gave me that code of Crud API. So now go to app setting, and this is pointing to a local DB. So I will replace with this code the connection string. So this is the connection string data. This is the database server name that I have opened. You can see that if you file connect to database, this is I have copied this, and this is the DB name, the database name, and this is the security information. So now I will go to program file and see. Here is the connection string context. So now what I will do, I will add my relations. So open it in terminal and write code .NET EF migrations add init, then .NET EF database update. So it will create the database. It has already created migration in the migration folder. As you can see, it will create the table in the database in the up and down. It will drop the table. So let's see. So database has been created. You can see that the table name reminder. So now let's run this app and check it's working or not. So first go to post and remove ID and insert the data. Insert once again, and now I will see in the reminders. So data has been inserted. You can go to get and get the data. So here is the data, two IDs, and I can also get with the ID of 1 and execute, and I will also can delete some data, ID 1 and execute, and this is the data, only one data left. So this is the method that you can create MS SQL Server, EF Core and Web API Crud application.